Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The trouble code P2073 indicates an issue with the manifold absolute pressure MAP sensor in the 2023 Honda CR-V. The MAP sensor's function is crucial as it measures the pressure in the intake manifold, providing the powertrain control module, PCM, with necessary information to control fuel injection and ignition timing. An anomaly in its readings, particularly when compared to the barometric pressure (baro) sensor and the turbocharger boost sensor outputs, leads to the storing of this diagnostic trouble code. This situation generally manifests when the MAP sensor reading is higher than normal under specific driving conditions. Modern Honda vehicles like the CR-V come equipped with sophisticated engine management systems that rely heavily on these sensor inputs, emphasizing the importance of the MAP sensor's accuracy in overall vehicle performance. The diagnosis and troubleshooting of this error must be conducted rigorously, especially due to the interlinked nature of various engine components. DTC P2073 revolves around the malfunction of the MAP sensor, which plays a pivotal role in the engine's air-fuel mixture regulation. The MAP sensor is integral to the vehicle's intake system, located on the intake manifold, where it continually monitors the pressure inside the manifold. When the pressure readings deviate from both the baro sensor and the turbocharger boost sensor, the PCM, or powertrain control module, recognizes this discrepancy. The MAP sensor's role is critical as it informs the PCM about the engine load and helps manage fuel delivery, ignition timing, and boost levels. Its malfunction can lead to rough engine performance, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. Therefore, the location and operational integrity of the MAP sensor are vital for diagnosing issues related to DTC P2073. Several potential causes can lead to DTC P2073. First, vacuum leaks within the intake air duct, manifold, or connected hoses can result in inaccurate pressure readings, leading the PCM to register an error. A faulty MAP sensor itself is another critical point of failure. If this sensor cannot provide correct readings, the PCM will perceive erroneous data. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system and the evaporative emission control (EVAP) system may also contribute to the issue. If any components within these systems are defective or blocked, they can disrupt the airflow and pressure readings. Each of these potential causes needs to be extensively tested to determine the root of the problem, as identifying the correct source is essential for an effective repair. Symptoms associated with DTC P2073 can manifest in various ways. Drivers may first notice engine performance issues, including hesitation during acceleration and rough idling. Additionally, poor fuel economy can become apparent, translating to more frequent refueling and higher operating costs. A significant increase in emissions could trigger the vehicle's check engine light, indicating the need for inspection. Stalling while driving is another alarming symptom that may arise if the MAP sensor fails to adequately communicate with the PCM. Collectively, these symptoms indicate underlying issues that must be addressed to restore the vehicle's performance and compliance with emissions regulations. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P2073 involves starting the engine and holding it at 3,000 revolutions per minute (RPM) without load, ensuring that the transmission is in either park or neutral. This condition allows the radiator fan to activate, signifying that the engine is warming up sufficiently. After reaching this engine state, let it idle for approximately 5 seconds. This initial step is crucial as it prepares the engine for subsequent tests by stabilizing the operational parameters and providing necessary conditions to assess the MAP sensor functionality. At this stage, verifying if the engine behaves normally is essential before proceeding with further diagnostics. Next, the vehicle must undergo a test drive under specific conditions to further diagnose DTC P2073. During this drive, ensure that the engine speed consistently exceeds 1,700 RPM and that the transmission is in drive. This allows for the evaluation of various engine parameters while the vehicle is in motion. The high-definition scanner, HDS, should be used to monitor the OBD status for DTC P2073, providing essential feedback about the current operational state. This test drive phase is vital for real-world assessment, simulating driving conditions that allow the diagnosis of potential sensor discrepancies. Observing the performance and sensor readings during this step will provide clarity regarding the function of not only the map sensor, but also related components. Identifying and checking for vacuum leaks is the focus of the third step in troubleshooting DTC P2073. Inspect all components of the intake air system, including the intake air duct and manifold, for any signs of damage or wear that could allow air to escape. This includes closely examining the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve, hoses, and the evap canister purge valve. Ensuring that these components are intact and functioning correctly is crucial, as any leak can affect the map sensor's readings. Additionally, the integrity of the throttle body must be verified while checking connections to the turbocharger and the throttle body, as failure in any of these parts can lead to misreported pressures causing the DTC to trigger. The meticulous inspection of these systems helps pinpoint potential issues leading to the map sensor error. The fourth troubleshooting step requires turning the vehicle to on mode and checking the high-definition scanner, HDS, for two crucial parameters: the high-resolution MAP sensor reading and the turbocharger boost pressure. It is essential to ensure that these values are normal and do not differ by more than 26.7 kilopascals, kPa, which is approximately 7.9 inches of mercury, in Hg, or 200 millimeters mHg. If the values differ significantly, it points to an issue with the MAP sensor itself, suggesting a malfunction in its ability to provide accurate readings under normal operating conditions. This comparative analysis of readings is fundamental in diagnosing the integrity and performance of the MAP sensor against the expected parameters. Accurate data at this juncture is critical for determining the next steps in repair or replacement. In the fifth step, starting the engine and allowing it to idle is necessary to test the map sensor's performance. During this process, the values from the HDS must be continuously monitored to check the high-resolution map sensor's readings for any discrepancies. The map sensor is expected to show a change of more than 0.67 kilopascal, which is about 0.2 inches of mercury, in Hg, or 5 millimeters mercury. If the readings do not demonstrate this expected change, it confirms that the map sensor is indeed malfunctioning, thus substantiating the indication of DTC P2073. This idle observation phase emphasizes the sensor's responsiveness to engine conditions in real time, confirming or refuting prior suspicions regarding its performance. Careful analysis during idle conditions is crucial in confirming the map sensor's accurate operation. Final repair verification for DTC P2073 involves crucial checks to ensure all repairs have been successfully executed. Begin by clearing the diagnostic trouble code, DTC, from the powertrain control module, PCM, to reset the vehicle system. Following this, a test drive is necessary to emulate typical driving conditions, allowing the PCM to reassess the map sensor alongside other related components. During this drive, it's crucial to ensure that no error codes reappear, confirming that the repairs have effectively resolved the underlying issue. The final confirmation is notable, as it validates both the integrity of the map sensor and the associated systems. Consistent monitoring ensures the vehicle's performance aligns with expectations without triggering any diagnostic trouble codes. This step is essential to guarantee that the problem is entirely resolved before concluding the process. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding issues associated with DTC P2073 and ensuring the vehicle's optimal performance. Regular inspections of key components within the intake air, PCV, and EVAP systems are essential to identifying any potential weakening or wear. Monitoring the intake system for signs of leaks or damage can prevent significant problems from arising in the future. It is also advisable to replace any faulty sensors immediately when diagnosed to prevent cascading failures. Ensuring all hoses are clear and properly secured minimizes the chances of vacuum leaks that would lead to inaccurate sensor readings. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule significantly improves overall vehicle reliability, performance, and compliance with environmental regulations. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2073 requires a comprehensive understanding of the role of the map sensor in maintaining engine performance in the Honda CR-V 2023. Proper identification of potential causes, such as vacuum leaks or sensor malfunctions, is vital for effective diagnosis. Following a meticulously structured troubleshooting protocol ensures that each potential issue is addressed thoroughly, increasing the chance of a successful resolution. Additionally, testing after repair plays an essential part in confirming that the solution is effective and that no further issues persist. Understanding the nuances of this code and conducting preventive measures can significantly enhance vehicle performance and longevity. Ultimately, knowledge and proactive maintenance are key to preventing similar issues in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!